Hi guys, this is first look video for Goldmund based, I don't know which model exactly, G5 amplifier. It's one of the cheaper cloned amplifiers. It's about $500 shipped. It's using Transaudio chassis. Yeah, I forgot to show you the top plate. The top plate, as usual, is quite thick. It's something like 4 millimeters. And it's solid, and this amplifier is supposed to be able to push 240 watts of power per channel into 4 ohms and 120 watts per channel into 8 ohms. It's quite simple build. You can actually get those amplifier boards as do-it-yourself kits. However, it has oversized transformer here, toroidal transformer, which I actually like. I think it was rated for 500 watts. So we'll see that in a minute. But let's start the tour with the build outside. In front we have power switch and power LEDs for left and right channel. We have nice heat sinks on the sides, nothing on the bottom, at least nothing worth mentioning. And in the back we have two sets of speaker tabs, one set of RCA single-ended inputs and power socket with fuse compartment integrated. Again, these speaker tab connectors are of the same type that are used on most of the clones that I've reviewed, and you can easily replace them with something better. This amplifier doesn't have slow start module because it doesn't have very large capacitor banks. It's using 4 ELNA for audio capacitors rated for 10,000 microfarads each one of them, so we have 40,000 microfarads for each channel. Still no slow start module. Okay, here we have Omron relays that are used for speaker protection. As you can see, the speaker wires are of good quality. What else? The black capacitors are Rubicons, all of them. I have no idea what brand are the capacitors here. I simply forgot the brand name. They are using this M letter logo. So if you remember that, please be so kind and let me know in the comments, so I will update the description of the video. Now, while we are here, let's take a look at the sticker on the transformer. And we have 500 watts rating here, and it's actually quite big. It's one of the biggest transformers, toroidal transformers that I have in my clones. Okay, the amplifier is using 4 pairs of Sunken transistors, 2 pairs for left channel and 2 pairs for right channel. It's using OPA 07C. Here, let's try to zoom in to the board. Yep, it's here, OP07C, but it's also using JFETs. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see an empty socket here, because I have removed one of them. Can we get a focus here? Yeah. It's JF2140, so basically JFE 2140, produced by Texas Instruments. So these are JFETs, and it's using one of them per each channel. We also have some ceramic resistors. Oh, that's like that. Yeah, we also have some ceramic resistors here and here, and all of the red capacitors that you can see are of course German MKP VMA capacitors. It's using fuses, 2 fuses per channel. Each one of them is rated for 16 amps. And I think that's it. As you can see, a very simple, very small build, small compared to other amplifiers, but it's not exactly cheap. I would say that it was, as I said, it was something like $500, so it's more expensive than Burmester 933 clone. It's definitely more expensive than Musical Fidelity A1 clone, than Hood clone, and other small amplifiers. So I'm very curious about the sound. It will need to have a burn-in session, about a week of constant play. Oh yeah, let's show you the sticker, Transaudio sticker, yeah, G5, Transaudio G5. And then when the burn-in will be finished, I will do the listening sessions. It'll take a couple of days because I will need to take some notes, and after that I will do, as usual, the full review video. So stay tuned for that. If you will notice something interesting about the build in my video, give me a shout in the comments. Please, if you remember the brand for that capacitors, also give me a shout there. I like the build inside. I like how the wiring looms are placed, although as you can see there are some self-adhesive legs for getting wires in place, and they had been lifted. They are not keeping in place like that. Let's see if I can correct that. Okay, I've pushed it quite hard, and we'll see if it will be in the same spot for the full review. Okay, I think that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small video. Stay tuned for full video review, and I hope you'll have a great day ahead of you. Bye, guys. Bye.